Hey, welcome everybody back to Fretworks. And today, I actually forgot this was even coming. This is a donation box from Racron. And he had emailed me earlier in the month and asked for the address and everything. And it slipped my mind that it was coming. It really did. So let's open it up. And thank you, Racron. Again, this is great stuff. Like I said, I don't care what it is, how old it is, used, new, well used, it doesn't matter. Because I never know what's coming here to get repaired. So I never know what I'm going to need. Wow. Holy crap. Check this out. Man, oh man. Rover tuners. Cool. 6 in line. That's great. Got some bars. Floyd bars. Some more Floyd bars. We got, oh, that's interesting. A bridge, another bridge, more bridge. Okay, cool. Never, I'm telling you, you never know. That's a bridge for one. Oh, that's a pushing bar. Okay, we got tone vise, high performance parts, pitch shifter. I've never tried one of these. And this is kind of like the Geiker one, so we're going to give that a try. Set of mounting studs. All right. Some more tuners. Let me get these out. Racron, this is fabulous, man. Thank you so much. Because again, I don't know what'll be coming here, who will be bringing what, and it's just to have an array of different parts is like gold. We got push in, and black chrome and chrome. Then we got black chrome. We have a set of studs there. We got a Floyd Rose 37 block. And we got some more tuners. Let's see here. Oh man. Holy crap, this is crazy. We got a Les Paul style. Some more studs. We got is it 3-way or 5-way? 3-way switch. There you go. That's cool. Hey, wait a minute. You may have just solved a problem, Racron. There's a little one, but the taller length. And we have another jack and some switch knobs. There we go. 2-tone and a volume. Some more jacks, another jack and switch knobs. And the that mint green cover. This would go with the mint green pick guard that I have for a Strat. So that'll match for a set. Then we got some pickup covers here. Always need these. Oh, we got a detuna in here. Cool. Wow. All right, and we got some more bridges, or bridge parts. Hold on here. So we got a set of silver saddles for Floyd. And looks like we got, oh, there's another one. Looks like we got a black set of Floyd saddles. I'm telling you, guys, you honestly, I can't express enough. All right, we got a bridge stop. I can't express enough how this stuff really helps, because again, you know, I never know. I've seen some really weird guitars come across this bench, and some I never even knew existed. All right, so we got like hip shot style. Oh, another chrome one. Man, oh man, yes, this is, you know what's funny, if you look here behind me, I just went and bought 3 more containers today. Couple springs. Lockdown for a Floyd nut, or a Floyd arm. That is we got another string tree bar. I'm gonna put all this stuff in here. Man, racron, thank you so much. I thought something fell down there. Yeah, and you guys may consider just you know, getting rid of some of your old parts, but it truly is helping others out who can't, by any other way, get their guitar fixed, or even get a guitar. How about I just grab one of these right now and start doing this? Yeah, I just went, actually, the best place to get these, they're $3.99 each at Harbor Freight. So that's where I went. And I usually pick up 3 at a time. So let me start separating this stuff. And this is what I do. I just have these containers full. And that's, and kind of helps out when they're not all just bunched together and just a bunch of parts thrown in a box, because you don't have to sort through it. So I can like do this, and I know, hey, here's all 6 of these. Where did okay, let's put these in here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool. These go like crazy if you're using the original ones on special. That's those. Where's the black ones? There we go. Put the black ones right here. And this is just a, I know it's not a messy bench, and my AI is not telling me that, you know, it should be messy. You know, I can't do that. But this does, seriously, you know, you want to be efficient. As well, most people want to be efficient as much as you can. And that I'll put in there with that. The springs go over there. Cool. Sets of mounting studs right there. And then let's do this. Racron, thank you. And everybody who's donated parts, thank you so much. I mean, I know I sound like a broken record, and when I say this all the time, but this, to me, this is like cash, because, you know, I'm not paying for these parts, so I don't charge for the parts. And I never really did anyhow. I just, you know, for the gunner, which it is, the gunner's project. This is not the same shirt. I got 2 of these. I never charge for anything. And I mean, I know you've heard this story before, but being able to finance it myself, it was just, I don't know what you call it, labor of love, maybe. I'm not sure. Let's see, let's put this in here. This, yeah, I really want to try this because I haven't done this yet. So this, I'll put it on a guitar. This, I save these bags too a lot, little bags. Because when I give a guitar to somebody and it's like, oh, there might be some extra, you know, like when I give a guitar away that's got a tremolo or a Floyd Rose on it, I always give like 12 or 15 of the blocks, string block, because especially if you're new to it and you go to change your strings, a lot of people lose those, so these come in handy. So I give those, that goes over there in the other box. That won't, well, it will. Let's see, I got a box for bridges. This is so cool. Racron, thank you. Thank you. And again, thank you to everybody who's keeping this alive. And I don't know. I can't say it enough. And I'm in a position where I truly am so grateful for this, but I don't want my thank you or my appreciation or anything seem robotic. So I'm actually running out of things to say. Honest to God, I don't know. Thank you. I know thank you is not enough, but and the whole community coming together. You know, even like to help Garguts out. You guys truly are the greatest, and I'm not just saying that. I wholeheartedly believe this, and I do believe that we have the best people in our chat that I've ever seen on YouTube, and I've been a YouTube member for, I don't know, probably 16, 17 years. Not this channel, obviously, but my other channel, and just watching YouTube too. So cool. This will go with that mint green. So that's a complete set. These are always handy. Find a place to hang these up. So I truly believe you guys are the best there is. I mean, you've shown it so many times. You know, the caring for stuff Mad went through with his cat and Garguts and just everybody. I mean, I'm speechless. I'd rather say I'm speechless than just sound like a broken record. So, Racron, thank you. Know that all this gets used. Everybody who has donated in any which way, shape, or form, thank you. Peggy sent today, she sent some strings and some killer skull picks for me. And against me telling her, she sent some cash, and I told her she didn't have to, but she insisted. So Peggy, thank you for that. I don't know. I just don't know what to say. This is fabulous, and my wife jokes with me. She'll because I was down here, and she's like, hey, I said, yeah, she goes, you got a Christmas package, and that's like a running joke. We know that is something donated to the channel when she says that. And again, I knew this was coming. I forgot all about it. It slipped my mind. So it was kind of a surprise. My hands and fingers don't always want to work, and that sucks. But I will say this: if you're younger and you're watching this channel or this video, take care of yourself. Take care of your body, because no one's going to do it for you but you. And I am living example, just one of millions, who didn't do that because I thought the youth was going to last forever. And when you're young, you got all the time in the world, and it's only a little bit of pain and it would go away. Guess what? It comes back with a vengeance when you're older. And you may say, "Shut up, old man." Like I heard once on a TV show, there's not one young person who knows what it's like to be old. But every older person remembers what it was like to be young. That's a powerful statement. Very powerful. So, all right. I'll see you guys tonight on the show. Racron, thank you. All donations, thank you. As Dio would say, you guys are the biggest stars in the world. And I truly, truly mean that.